In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand to Amazon Brazil. I'm Josh Hackett. Let's dive in. One is to make sure you're a professional seller, and then you're going to go to inventory and then the sell globally tab. So all you have to do is go to inventory, and then you're going to see this little sell globally tab. You're going to go there, and then you should have a green check mark for Brazil, right? US, Canada, Brazil, and Mexico, you can usually sell in. If not, you can go right here, and there's going to be a button like this that says create a American selling account. Once you get approved for the US, you get approved for all of these. So if you're already approved for the US and you're a professional seller, you're automatically going to have access to Brazil. Sweet. The next step is to make sure that there's no internal connection between the US and Brazil, because sometimes if you have a listing in the US, it like automatically shows in Brazil and it messes up everything for international expansion. So you're going to click on build international listings right here. And then we're going to wait for this. And then if you have Brazil here, then what you want to do, right now I only have Canada and Mexico, but what you want to do is click remove connection if it is connected, right? Because then you can't officially expand to Brazil. It's a long story short, make sure the remove connection is enabled. So remove the connection if Brazil's on here. Right now Brazil's not on here, so we're good to go to the next step. And the next step is going to be actually switching your marketplace to Brazil. Once you switch your marketplace to Brazil, just make sure your bank account's there, your credit card's there. You can just use your US bank account, your US credit card, because Amazon automatically converts the funds and transfers it to your US bank account. Thanks, Amazon. And then the next thing you're going to do is create your listings. So if you already have listings in Brazil, right, I'm gonna recommend that you delete them, okay, and then recreate them from scratch. That's just my professional recommendation. It's good to start with a clean slate, especially if you have like a connection going on. You want to recreate those listings. So what you could do is click simply delete all of the listings in Brazil. It won't affect your Amazon listings in the USA. You can always do a quick test if you want. But anyway, if you wanted to recreate your listings, you're going to go to add products, and then you're going to add products with the same exact ASIN and the same exact SKU from the USA. So you're going to take the same exact ASIN and SKU from the USA and recreate those listings in Brazil. The reason why you want to use the same ASIN and the same SKU is because it's going to transfer all of the reviews from the USA, and it's also going to show them in Brazil. So if you have 1,000 reviews on a product in the USA, you can actually have 1,000 reviews show in Amazon Brazil as well, and that's going to significantly help with sales. So make sure you do that properly. If the ASIN isn't showing up, just make sure it's the same exact UPC code as the item in the Amazon USA marketplace. We're still selling on Amazon, so everything's interconnectable, right? Once it's fully created, then you're simply going to convert all of your listings to Amazon FBA. Right now, you can click change to fulfilled by Amazon, and then once you do that, it's going to show FBA. Next, you're going to ship in your units into Brazil. To do this, you're going to click on send inventory. There's simply going to be a button right here if it's for FBA, and it's going to say send to Amazon or send inventory into Amazon. You're going to click on that button, and then what's going to happen is Amazon is going to give you an Amazon label. This Amazon label is just for Amazon, and it tells you what warehouse to ship it to in Brazil. So once you have that, you're going to get your big box, put all of your items in the box, and then put the Amazon label on the box. Once you're done with that, you need to get the shipping label yourself. So you're going to go to ups.com. On the Amazon label they provided you, it's going to have a shipping address on where to ship the product to. You're just going to tell UPS where we're going to ship it to, and then you're going to have your Amazon label on the big box, and you're going to have the UPS shipping label on the big box. After that, you're going to get your big box, give it to UPS, and UPS is going to ship it directly to Brazil. Once that's done, make sure you get the tracking number and you track it, stay up to date with it. And you're also going to go to inventory, and you're going to go to manage FBA shipments, and you're going to put that tracking number in on Amazon so Amazon can also track it. Once Amazon receives it, they're going to scan the Amazon label, and they're going to start checking all of the inventory in, and then you're going to see that it says available and it's ready to go so you can start selling in Brazil. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on what country you plan to expand to next on Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll manage your inventory, help you expand to every single country on Amazon, call Amazon for you, listing creation, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end. Let us help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.